Have you ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's not just a random habit. Thousands of years ago, people believed that when you sneezed, your soul could actually escape your body for a split second. Saying bless you was like a magical shield to stop evil spirits from sneaking in while your soul was out. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, during the terrifying Black Death. Sneezing was one of the first symptoms of the plague, so saying God bless you was a genuine prayer, a desperate hope that the person wouldn't succumb to the illness. In fact, back in the 6th century, Pope Gregory I officially encouraged it as a mini prayer to protect people during a massive epidemic in Rome. Today, it's mostly a polite gesture, a simple way to show you care. It's interesting how different cultures have their own versions, too. In Germany, they say Gesundheit, which means health, and in Spanish, it's salad, also meaning health. So next time you sneeze, you know you're part of a tradition that's thousands of years old. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool facts.